If you're thinking plutonium, yes, it is.
Man, are you crazy? I was just playing along because it was kind of funny, but I'm not going to carry that around, you damn lunatic.
You don't understand. It's your kids, Marty. Something has got to be done about your kids.
My kids? Look, I don't know if I happen to be a father in this parallel reality or what, but you're starting to freak me out. Will you leave me alone if I take the goddamn plutonium rod?
Sure. I guess I'll see you in about 30 years.
Oh, not if I can help it, Doc. Alright, so I better take Charlie's advice. I think I need the opinion of a shrink. Maybe he can help me look at the situation from a different perspective, or maybe he can prove to me that none of this is actually happening and it's all in my head. Good morning, miss.
A very good day to you, sir.
Okay, you win. I'd like to see the psychiatrist.
I'm sorry, sir, but Dr. Johnson is a busy man. All the appointments today are already taken.
Could you make an exception? I'm an old college buddy of his.
You're a doctor?
Isn't it obvious?
And you went to college together. I mean, how is that possible? He is much older than you.
I have a very high IQ, and I graduated when I was just 8 years old.
And your name is?
Hauser. Dr. Doogie Hauser.
I am sorry, Dr. Hauser. Your name is not on Dr. Johnson's unexpected visits list, so there is nothing I can do. But you can make an appointment for tomorrow morning if you wish.
You know, I'm afraid tomorrow's not good for me.
What about Wednesday, then?
That's even worse. Couldn't you just squeeze me in today, please?
I am sorry, sir, but that would be impossible.
Don't say that. Impossible is nothing, remember?
I am sorry, sir, but you cannot see the doctor unless you make an appointment first. It's that simple.
Yeah, to you maybe.
What is that supposed to mean?
Oh, nothing. It's just that seeing you sitting there in front of that computer makes me wonder, maybe there's someone out there more qualified than you to be bashing away at the keyboard, which by the way doesn't seem to exist, who could just, I don't know, fit me in, let's say, today?
If you're trying to insinuate that I don't know anything about computers just because I'm a woman, you might like to know that I grew up with them. One of my first memories is of an IMSAI 8080.
Hey, me too. Did you use it to change your grades as well? Or play tic-tac-toe against supercomputers named after burgers?
Not really. Did you?
Me, Matthew Broderick, who cares? I don't know what I'm doing here. Peace out.
Have a good day, sir.
Hi.
I'll return your greeting just out of politeness, my friend. But please, if it's not too much to ask, could you not bother me right now? I'm trying to enjoy this melody.
Damn, cheap manufacturing. I just broke the dial.
Alan!
What's up, buddy?
Not much. Just sitting here, waiting my turn. I'm next.
Oh, nice. So why do you keep yelling the name Alan?
I beg your pardon?
You know, you yell the word Alan every now and then.
I don't know what you're talking about. My name is Alan, but I'm not a lunatic who walks around yelling his own name all the time. Alan!
And what's your condition exactly? You seem pretty normal to me.
I have a very serious psychological problem, Alan! Among other things.
You don't say.
My life is a nightmare. No matter how hard I try, the ones I love will always be the ones who pay.
Hey, that's my catchphrase. Well, no, it's Peter Parker's, but I copied it first. I'm sure my problem is more pressing, but whatever.
And what problem is that, may I ask? Alan!
I can't find my car keys, and this situation is starting to get out of hand.
Whoa! I'm so sorry for you, man! I know it must be hard on you. I'd let you go first. Alan! But no.
I'm trapped in a time loop which has me reliving the same day over and over.
Oh, what a pickle. The same thing happened to me last year, you know. Is it because of a pink unicorn? A cursed ring? Or maybe you made a pact with Beelzebub?
Cursed ring.
Oh, I see. Well, if you want my opinion, you should find a wish-granting goblin. You can borrow mine if you want. Although... Alan!
Although?
Well, that goblin was a nickel little bastard, so I had to chain him up in the basement, and, you know, it's been days since I last heard his screaming and begging, Alan! And now that I think of it, my place smells kind of funny lately. Oh, and the flies, you wouldn't believe! I hope he didn't starve to death or anything. I really don't want a decaying body in my basement. Maybe I should have fed him from time to time, instead of just rubbing his head gently while dreaming up my evil plans. Alan!
Did your goblin wear a uniform? Maybe blue? And did he have a satchel full of cryptic notes?
So, you're familiar with these goblins, hmm? Before you went quiet, he would scream for hours. I'm a mailman! I'm a mailman! Duh! All men are male. Alan!
Okay. Nah, it's actually kind of stupid.
That's what people said about the year 2012. That it was just stupid. That the world wasn't coming to an end. And all of a sudden, bam! The end of the world! Good night!
Bam? The end of the world, huh? Are you sure about that?
Oh, God. Please don't tell me you're one of those people who thinks they're still living on the planet Earth!
Well, I guess I am one of those people.
It's all just a bunch of lies. They say that on TV to hide the truth from us! Alan!
Then, what planet do we live on now?
Ha! We live on no damn planet! We travel space on a giant flying turtle that leaves a trail of octarine behind!
Great. You know, I don't get it. Why do all you mental cases think that Terry Pratchett's books are like some kind of self-help manual?
Hey, I'm no mental patient. I suffer from a personality disorder. Do you know what that is?
Of course I do. That's when a guy voluntarily listens to Yoko Ono's greatest hits in their underwear, isn't it?
Hey, are you laughing at me?
Well, I'm trying, goddammit.
Well, you're lucky you're not talking to my other personality. They say he's not as friendly as I am, and that he swears a lot. Alan!
Well, that would sound much more intimidating if it wasn't for a guy dressed as a, I don't know, what the hell is the deal with those clothes, dude?
Oh, get over it, girl. It's just the current intergalactic fashion. All of you who refuse to accept reality will never be able to appreciate the greatness of these clothes, Alan! Not even if an army of tentacles took over the Earth.
There's this floating head which only I can see that follows me everywhere while whispering, "Kill them all."
Oh, you too? That's nothing to worry about.
Wow, tough guy, huh? Okay, well, I'm gonna take off. Don't forget to clean the Kraken's tank, huh?
Whose tank?
Never mind.
Alan!
I can't. It's not my turn.
Alan! Alan!
Hello again, Alan.
Excuse me, are you talking to me? Because my name is Robert.
Are you sure?
Pretty sure, yeah.
Nice to meet you, Robert. Can I see the doctor before you?
Are you kidding me? You want me to give you my turn? As if that Alan guy messing up my life wasn't enough? I'm sorry, buddy, but no way.
Huh, so that Alan guy is ruining your life, huh?
And how? I can't go out anymore. Everybody stares and calls me names.
Well, I think your clothes are to blame for that.
Hey, don't mess with me, man. And you know, there's more. Yesterday, I found a rather big dead turtle on my nightstand right where my globe was. I think that Alan guy is sending me some kind of message.
Okay. So your name's not Alan anymore.
Oh, god damn it.
What?
You're not the first guy who's told me that. Apparently, there's this guy named Alan who looks just like me, and man, he's fucking up my life.
What do you mean?
Well, you know, I think the bastard looks just like me and wears the same clothes I wear. People confuse me with him. They blame me for the things he does. And now, my basement stinks of shit and I don't even know why.
Fascinating. Ciao, Robert.
Yeah, whatever, bye. No, you know what? Wait a second.
Yeah, what's up?
It's just that, now that I think of it, I got the feeling you actually know that Alan guy.
I wish I didn't, but I do. So what?
I need you to help me set that guy up.
Are you serious?
Fuck yes. That bastard is making my life a misery. And I'm not just gonna stand back and do nothing. Did you know he kidnapped my canary?
How the hell should I know that? In fact, how do you know that? Did he leave a ransom note or something?
No, but I know the bastard breaks into my house when I'm not there. Once, I found my mail on the table, and someone had paid the electricity and water bills with checks written out to cash signed by, guess who? That's right, that Alan guy.
Oh my god, so you're telling me that bastard is paying your bills? We have to stop him.
Do you think this is some kind of joke? He kidnapped Columbus this morning.
I hope you're talking about your canary, because if you named your child Columbus, this conversation is over.
Of course I'm talking about my canary. I told you, he's really old. He barely sings anymore. I hope he's okay.
Yeah, so we're talking about setting Alan up, right? Do you have a plan?
Well, I haven't really thought it through yet, but I'll come up with something. After all, I'm smarter than him.
Sure you are.
Stay close, okay?
Yeah, sure, I will. I can't. It's not my turn.
Alan!
Alan?
Yes?
Ah, hell. I can't do this. Robert is coming for you. Run!
Who?
The owner of the canary you kidnapped?
Hey, if this is a joke, it's not funny.
Oh, man, it's not a joke. Your other self is called Robert, and he's sick of you. You have to understand, you kidnapped his canary, who, to make matters worse, is called Columbus.
My other self is called Robert? That explains a lot. Like that tattoo on my, like my tattoo. But I didn't kidnap any canary! Alan! On the contrary, I'm purging this world!
You know, that purging the world sounds kinda shady.
Listen! When I woke up this morning, I found out that, as usual, someone had broken into my house and had messed the place up. And that's when I saw that
What?
damn reptilian Illuminati. I had to finish him off.
Oh god, now I really hope you're talking about the canary.
Canary! As much as they try to genetically alter their DNA so they look like hummingbird, they can't fool me. Even if they're inside cages. Alan! They can't fool me.
I see.
Don't you know? They're watching us.
The canaries?
Birds in general. They're spreading all over town like a virus. And they're all aliens in disguise who just want to take over the planet.
Hey, you said we don't live on a planet.
I'm sorry. There's too much stuff in my head right now. Alan! What I meant is that those aliens are trying to take over the sidereal turtle we live on.
Right. So, for the record, did you kill Columbus?
Who?
The canary?
I had to. He was looking at me funny. And I told you he wasn't a canary.
Okay. So, what did you do with the body?
I threw it away. It was just a stupid canary.
But you said it wasn't a canary. Oh, God, you know what? Never mind. Go on.
Well, that's pretty much it. Alan! I just threw it away. Those bastards don't deserve a proper burial.
Yeah, of course they don't.